In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell any cryptocurrency using Kucoin exchange. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, selling your cryptocurrency on an exchange like Kucoin can be straightforward if you know the steps. Let's dive right in and make the process as simple as possible. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Kucoin website. This is your first step to getting started with your cryptocurrency transactions. Once you're on the home page, find your way to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see the Login button. Click on that link and make sure you have your email and password handy. If you haven't used Kucoin in a while, you might be prompted to verify your identity, so be prepared for that as well. Logging into your account will take you back to Kucoin's main page. From here, focus on the main menu. You'll want to look for the Trade option. Clicking this will present you with a few trading choices. For our purposes, you'll want to select Spot Trading. This option allows you to trade cryptocurrencies for others instantly at market price, which is usually the quickest method. Once you're in the Spot Trading section, you'll see a search bar typically located near the top left corner of the page. This is where you can narrow down the vast list of cryptocurrencies available on Kucoin to just the one you're interested in selling. Simply type in the currency ticker or full name into the search bar to locate your specific cryptocurrency. Keep in mind, if the trading pair you want doesn't show up immediately, make sure you're searching correctly with the right symbols or names as listed on Kucoin. After finding your chosen cryptocurrency, you'll see the trading details displayed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the current trading statistics, such as the price trends or volume, to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. When you are ready, proceed with selling your cryptocurrency by entering the amount you wish to sell. Double-check everything before finalizing the transaction, as ensuring accuracy can prevent unnecessary losses. Selling cryptocurrency on exchanges like Kucoin is a fairly seamless process once you are familiar with the platform's layout and functionalities. Remember, while these steps cover the basics, staying informed about trading trends and securing your account are crucial for successful trading. Thank you for watching, and happy trading on Kucoin.